What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Air Zoom Spiridon Cage 2 Stussy collaboration. When it comes to collabs, I look for the small details, and in this release we have quite a few of them. Starting with the packaging, Stussy branded Nike sportswear box in this reverse color. Inside the paper has two designs, the outer layer mimicking the texture of the mesh on the shoe, and the inner layer with this black and white grass image, which you can also find on the bottom of the shoe on the forefoot. First impressions, I thought these would be heavy, bulky even, but they're surprisingly light and flexible. You get this really breathable mesh upper all around and this very shiny silver overlay. The build quality seems to be good and the look is definitely unique. The black swoosh as well as the heel counter and toe is in this interesting textured material I can best describe as what you'd find on a lenticular photo, but by far my favorite part is the fully 3M reflective mesh upper, which looks great and may even be a nod to the completely reflective upper on the Nike Spiridon we're more accustomed to seeing. From there, the light reveals more reflective elements on the shoe. Heel Stussy branding is also 3M. More reflective hits on the toe, with 3M dot accents as well as the Stussy word mark, and the same reflective Stussy badge on the tongue as what you saw on the heel. And while it may look like the shoe has a tongue, it's actually a one-piece upper connected by a piece of elastic on the inside. On the heel we see our Zoom airbag in its Pebax cage, one of the several design elements on the shoe that gives it its distinctive look. Underneath you get a BRS 1000 rubber outsole for traction and durability. The shank is also in that same black Pebax material. And lastly, in the forefoot, you have what Nike is calling Phyllite for cushioning, deep flex grooves, as well as some translucent rubber hits for added traction. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video to support what I'm doing. Subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.